Ayan, today we're gonna make a French toast. Kasi gusto ng mga bata almusalin yan today. Usually, ako lang gumagawa ng ingredients ko. Pero, natutunan ko talaga to sa parents ni Dex. So, dyan gumagamit ako ng 2 eggs, ng vanilla syrup, cinnamon, milk. Lahat ina-eyeball ko lang kasi ayoko na mag-measure. Tinatamad ang ate nyo. And then, nagdagdag din ako ng brown sugar just to make it a little sweet for the kids. Diyan, medyo napadami yung lagay ko ng cinnamon. Pero, haluin nyo lang ng bonggang-bongga. Again, this is my only ingredients for my own French toast. But you can look it up on Google too. What are the ingredients that you can use? Or how to cook it. Simula nang mag-move talaga ako sa Canada, ang dami kong natutunan lutuin. Like, yung mga hindi naman nagagawa sa Pilipinas. At saka, because I have a Canadian husband, so, you know, everything that I have to cook is gotta be either my way or his way. I try to make super healthy foods because I have type 2, but sometimes when it's for the kids, then that's gotta be it. Maririnig nyo sa background yung noise machine ni Dawson because he's sleeping right now beside me. So right here, I'm looking for a pan to use. Recently, dahil nagmo-move yung parents ni Dex, lahat ng mga gamit na ayaw nila, pinagbibigay nila sa akin. They're gonna move in our property outside of Calgary. It's in Alberta. So, here, I always like to use butter kapag nagpa-fry ng kahit ano, especially bread. The reason why I use butter, because sometimes I always like to think na mas healthy yung butter kaysa sa oil pang fry sa kahit ano. Here, with my version of French toast, gagamit lang ako ng sliced loaf bread. Kailangan ilulubog mo talaga as in nako-cover lahat. Kasi gustong-gusto ni Dexter niyan cinnamon around the bread. I would just fry it until it's golden brown. And then I'll slice it later for him. So, karaniwan magluluto ako hanggat maubos yung mix. Kasi sayang yung cinnamon. Kasi for sure, pag uwi ni Dex, pag nakita niyang merong French toast, kakain yun agad. So, I'll just fry everything. Pagkatapos nito, start na kami kumain. Oh, and then mag-a-add din pala ako ng bacon. Minsan, namimiss ko rin talaga yung Filipino breakfast. Ang hirap nga lang talaga makabili ng ingredients dito kasi minsan malayo or talagang mahal yung mga Filipino food. Right here, I'm gonna start na yung bacon. Ina-air fry ko lang yung bacon usually kasi ayoko nang piniprito siya sa oil din. It just looks unhealthy every time na magpa-fry ka ng mga meat tapos nagmamantika. So usually yung ginagawa ko kapag tapos mag-fry, nilalagay ko sila sa plato na may paper towel para nandun yung mantika hindi na sa pagkain. So right here, I'm gonna start cutting up Dexton's food. Usually hindi ko na yan kinakat. Pero dahil yung French toast at saka yung syrup is sticky, I don't want him get choked by the food and the syrup. I literally forgot how dangerous it could be for toddlers to eat because the last time I had a baby, that was 14 years ago. So we're always very careful what we give him. Even though I know I am trained for first aid, but still, I don't want him choking with any type of food. Marami kasi akong batang nakikita dito na nasuchoke sila tapos wala doon yung parents. Kaya mabuti talagang ako nagpapakain sa anak ko at hindi ibang tao. No hate on working moms because I know it's really expensive right now. Pero mas prefer ko na ako magbantay sa mga anak ko kaysa ibang tao because of my insanity. Right here, I'm gonna cut up some bacon for him. Personally, I like crispy ones. So right here, I'm just gonna remove the crispy ones and give him the soft part so he can chew it so easy. And don't worry, even though I'm touching the food, I always wash my hands every time I go around the camera. That's one thing I learned simula nung nag-work ako sa food industry. We often wash our hands, especially nung nag-work ako sa Tim Hortons. Every time you're gonna do something or you're gonna touch something, you have to wash your hands right away. I became really sensitive simula nung naipanganak si Dexon when it comes to safety, food, the cleanliness of the house, of the washroom. Minsan sinasabi na sa akin ni Dex na okay lang na hindi ako maglinis kasi nga magdudumi na naman o kaya magugulo na naman yung living room. I am already suspecting that I have OCD because I just can't look at it. Right here, I'm already cutting up bananas for Dexon. That's what he likes. Favorite na favorite niya yan. And again, ikakat ko lang siya sa mga bite size for him. I know how hard it is kasi laging kapag bago siya kumain, ikakat up muna lahat. But trust me, it's worth it. Pero maraming nauuso ngayon yung BLW, baby-led weaning. I don't know if I am pronouncing it right, but if you want to try it to your baby, you can look it up on Google. I know they have an app that you can use where there's ingredients and stuff. So now, after cutting up bananas, I'm gonna show it to Dexon. Usually when I say eat, he'll gonna run and see me right away. I was asking him if it's good, but he doesn't respond, he just wants to eat. So there you go. You see just a little glimpse of part of our day.